Welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today I got a nice little mod for your Quest 3 headset. Before we get started, do all that like and subscribe stuff, and let's get started. Shout out to the Fluid team for coming up with this Halo mod for your Quest 3 headset. Shout out to Nathan for bringing it up to me and bringing it to my attention. The Fluid team came up with this mod for your Quest 3 headset. It'll work with any head strap, any head strap. You just connect this mod to your Quest 3 and boom, it'll work. You're gonna need two things or three things. You're gonna need a 3D printer if you wanna do it for free for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description so you can pick up the file so you can print it out yourself. Or if you don't have a 3D printer, you can go to their Etsy page and you can buy one. I think they sell it for $12 for just the mod, and then another, I think it's $33 if you buy that in the pad. So let me show you. This right here is what you will print out. This is the magic piece. This is the piece that will connect to your Quest 3, right? This is without the pad. I have a Quest Pro, so I took the pad off of my Quest Pro, and this is how it'll look with the pad, just like the Quest Pro. And it just attaches and boom, it'll work. And let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my Quest 3. I took the head strap off so you can see it better. This is the mod. All you have to do is connect this right here. It just slides on like this, and that's it. And that is the mod. Check it out. It looks just like the Quest Pro, right? That's the inside of it right here. This is how it looks. And it just fits right on. Boom. Right there. And you got your Halo strap. And you can put whatever headband you want to put on it, and it'll work. I like it. I use it with the Kiwi K4, the new head strap that they got out. It's light, it's comfortable, it has a flat back. I can still have a Halo strap. I have the Bobo VR. Sometimes that thing just get heavy sometimes, and I just don't want to wear that heavy headband sometimes. So boom, this works out for me, but you can use any head strap you want to use and it'll work. I did do a second one, right, just in case. And what you can do too, if you don't want to buy the pad that go on your face, all you have to do is print this out, put a little Velcro right here, and just attach a pad to it. That's it. It's simple, right? You just attach your own pad, your own comfort, and it'll work like that too. So any way you want to use it, you know, it's a cheap, great way to make a Halo strap, you know? So for those of you that want a Halo strap, there you go. Boom, you got it. Again, shout out to the Fluid team for making that. When I get the information, I try to get it out to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.